The Pokemon Paradox Clash tin is a fun product, especially if you like opening a mix of expansions. The tin is available in two versions. Inside the tin, you get one foil promo card featuring Iron Leaves EX or Walking Wake EX. You get one of the two Paradox Pokemon, depending on the version of the tin. What I like most about this tin is the booster pack selection. There are 5 booster packs. My tin came with 1 Destined Rivals, 2 Surging Sparks, and 2 Journey Together packs. This is a nice selection because these packs are hard to find in stores. Now, let's check out my hits from the tin.